How to make better looking forms in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry, Knoll, and in this particular video I'm going to share with you how to do that by answering the following three questions. Question number one, where to find the forms in HighLevel. Number two, how to create a form from scratch in HighLevel. And number three, how to create a form from templates in HighLevel. Plus I'll be giving you some other little tidbits and tips and tricks to help you format those forms. So we'll head over here to my demo account. And the first things first, we're going to go into Sites. That's where forms live. They're at the very top. We're going to go into Builder. And then from here, we can do things like add form, and then we can start from scratch or choose template. So if I want to start from scratch, just to show you how you can still make it look good without a template. So what we're going to do here is it's going to give us some default fields on this form. And if we don't want this form to look exactly like this, we can quickly and easily modify it, right? So we can take this and we can say that we want perhaps not to have the placeholder or the label, right? A lot of times on forms, if there's a placeholder, we really don't need a label or vice versa. So we might just take out label, and we might take out label on the next one, and then we might take out the label on phone as well, and we might also add, let's see, with the email, let's do the same thing. And then we have a little bit better formatted form in my book. Now, I don't like these asterisks right here for this required because of where it puts it. So what I would probably do is like check out some other elements and see just exactly if I add another new element to this form, if I can format it slightly differently, right? Because let's say I wanted to put full name instead of first and last name separately. So we'll do that. And then let's say we want to get rid of the label again. So we'll get rid of the label. Okay, so over here on the right hand side, I opened up styles and options. I went to styles and then go down here to show label. So we didn't have to delete the label itself to not show it. We can just turn it off here. And when you do that, it brings up the field and takes off all that extra padding, so it can clean it up considerably, right? And you can do all kinds of formatting over here with colors and backgrounds. You can do miscellaneous stuff like add agency branding. And if you go back up here, you can also change the layout of the form from single column to two column to single line. So this is how you could easily start manipulating a form from scratch and making it look pretty good. I think it looks pretty good now because I removed the labels and it's brought all the fields up a little bit closer. Now we also have this full name instead of first name, last name, so I'd probably do that instead of first name, last name. I just like 3 fields if possible. I don't really want to have more than that. Typically I would have my email above my phone, so I'd have name, email, phone, and then our consent box for phone numbers, and then our button. And of course the formatting of the button, same deal. You can change any of the color, padding with the text of the button, adding more or less the font weight to all the button text as well. And you don't have to have like the privacy policy terms and conditions at the very bottom of the form if you don't want to. You can definitely remove that and just click off of here, and then you can add a different little disclaimer like we value your privacy, we will never spam you, etc., something like that. When you're happy with it, just click Save. Okay. Now I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go Add Form, Choose from Template. Now, choosing from template gives you all these different opportunities to take something that's close to what you want and then just modify it from there. So this is one other way of making better looking forms inside of HighLevel, right? So you might want to consider using one of these options and picking from one of these. And so again, on the left hand side we have all categories: automotive, beauty and fashion, business, coaching and consulting, creative, financial, health and wellness, holidays, home services, insurance, legal, marketing agency, medical, other, real estate, restaurant and bar, travel and hospitality. And so you can take a peek at any of these individually. Like you can see, this is the ones that they've developed for agency, and no, they're not fantastic. In fact, I think you can build better ones yourself. That's really my take on it. That's why I like building from scratch, because I know exactly what I'm doing and I can quickly create them any way that I want in order to make it match my website or my sales funnel, etc. All right, so I appreciate each and every one of you for showing up to this video. And as always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Just leave me a comment below this video, and I'll do my best to answer for you in a timely manner. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes high-level masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about high-level. You will also receive the high-level agency masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the 823.10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving Marketing Engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting, and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.